Once again.
Welcome to day 14 of our house renovation. Today we're going to paint some doors. I got some fucking brushed nickel hinges. We're going all the doors and everything. And we're going to go ahead on and fucking paint some of this shit. Paint some of these door frames. This is the paint we're using. We had suggested semi-gloss, but satin is what the customer wants, and that'll look good too. We're using Clarks and Kensington paint, satin enamel. So, and I like to use the exterior shit because it holds up better on the inside than it would if it was interior paint. And as far as me, Dave's gonna start painting. I'm gonna keep on continuing on with this wainscoting on down that wall right there. So we'll go ahead on and get that in from there to there. And I'll probably go right on down this wall, get that in. And then we'll maybe start hanging some doors and stuff today after all that. So I'm cutting this beadboard, and I'm gonna lay out my measurements on the back of the board and take the skill saw and cut it from the back side. See, from the back, down that line right there. And the reason I'm doing that is because if you cut it from the back, the way the blade pulls like this, it won't chip the wood all right in the front and splinter it across the bottom. So you'll see that when you put your paint on and everything, if it's all splintered. So by doing it this way, you get a nice clean cut. And all that splintery shit will be on the back. See? Like that. That's how you do it. We're at the end of day 14 of our house renovation. And what we did today was paint all the door frames. Let me kick the breaker back on so you can see what we're looking at here. All right, so all the door frames is painted with some Clarks and Kensington. That's that piece on the left right there. I gotta put that on because I ran out of nail. But all this beadboard put this beadboard in here today. Fitted it around that window. Like that. And got a piece that go right there. We went and picked up the hinges for all the doors. Painted all these doors in, all the door frames. Tomorrow, I've got to go in the morning and have a meeting about doing another renovation job in a commercial building. But we'll be over here for a short while on Friday on part 15, day 15. And maybe we'll get a couple of these doors hung. We got to chisel out, set the hinges and all that shit. But it's a little short video. Sanded some stuff, painted these door frames. So we're gonna have to put some kind of a stain blocker right there because some shit bled back through. And look where the lights are in the closet, down there in the bottom. So now we're gonna have to fucking take these fucking lights out of the bottom of the closet and terminate these wires in a box, so that no little kid or anybody comes in here and sticks their finger in there and gets killed. It's like that in all the closets. Some more shit in here with sanded in here. We'll come in here tomorrow and maybe put another coat of sheetrock and light on all this shit. But that's where we're at today. Beadboard on the. Got that much left. Comes in about 4x8 sheets. And got some light bulbs for that right there. And that's gonna be nice to be able to fucking finally see something. Also today, got lights that fan right there is going to go up in the middle of that ceiling right there. And that fan right there is going to be taken down. It's going to one of the bedrooms. This fan right here is going to one of the other bedrooms. And then that light right there is going in the kitchen. And then this one down here is going in the dining room. And that fan right there is going in the living room. And this one is going in the hallway. So maybe I might put some lights up tomorrow, I don't know. Also, this door right here got scraped. Get all that old shit. Probably lead paint and everything out. You can see all the different colors. It's been white, dark green, brown. It's been all kinds of colors. See all the different colors in there. So all that's got to be all cleaned up and scraped and sanded and painted. And then another project for another day. So all that fucking hardware is coming off of there, and we're gonna take all that down and paint it on the inside and the outside white. Put all nickel hardware back on it because it's a good storage for the kitchen. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll respond to your question. Hit the notification bell so that when I upload a video, you'll know that we uploaded the video and you can watch it. Watch the other 14 videos, or 13 videos that we had before this of this house renovation. And I also have another about 300 more videos on how to do shit and some reviews on things. So you can watch those, support the channel, subscribe, and hit the like button. That's important. So that's where we are today. I'm gonna walk over here. I'm gonna kill this breaker. And time to hit the trail. Have a good day. Stay tuned for tomorrow, episode 15.